It's May 2022, and while most casual observers of real estate are watching the variation between listing prices in the market, I'm going to share with you the most important numbers to keep your eyes on as the local market readjusts. In March, there were 510 newly listed properties to sell throughout the month. At the end of the month, there was 515 total listings still available. When this happens and total listings available closely matches the new listings in the month, it indicates that the inventory is turning over and the market is attempting to balance. When you compare this to last year, the number of new listings far exceeded the listings available at the end of the month. Supply did not meet demand, resulting in high prices and bidding wars with multiple offers. Now, looking back at April's numbers, another interesting scenario is unfolding. Throughout the month of April, there were only 383 new listings. However, the total listings at the end of the month was 580. That means there were almost 200 homes that did not turn over. Demand this past month lagged far behind supply. Looking at it from a different perspective, I compared total sales for March and April to see if there was a drop-off. March saw 396 sales compared to a total of only 290 sales in April. This represents a 37% drop month over month. Rather than stop there, I decided to dig a little deeper and look at pandemic versus pre-pandemic numbers for April. In 2020, April sales totaled only 159. Not surprising at all, but not a number that can be used as a benchmark, seeing as we were just entering a pandemic. April 2021 total sales were 562, as the pandemic fueled panic buying from people trying to enter the real estate market. Pre-pandemic sale figures for April 2019 were, however, 280, almost the same as this past month. Could we be returning to normal? So what do these numbers tell us? If the market was in a free fall, as some people would suggest, then sales would be non-existent or well below normal. Instead, consumers are being more careful with their money and taking external factors such as interest rate increases and potentially declining values into account during the buying process. Figures show that sales are still happening. Pricing your home correctly is the single most important factor to consider when you're selling your home. When you want top dollar, it is best to have the right price the day your house goes onto the market. When you offer your home at its true market value, you're giving yourself the best chance to get a great price for your home in a reasonable amount of time. In a cooler market, one that has fewer buyers, the home will remain for sale until the price moves low enough to attract a buyer. That means the seller is sitting idle when a home is listed above the range of fair market value. You can always drop your price at a later time. However, this can sometimes be a matter of doing too little, too late. Bottom line, if you price your home right, then you stand to get a better chance of selling compared to if you aim too high. That's all today, folks. And don't forget, if someone you know or you are looking for any real estate help in the future, please don't hesitate to call. I'm never too busy for your referrals. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.